Hello everyone. This is going to be another sample trade on the euro dollar here, and what we're looking for is just a small retracement out of this move late in the day. It's pretty late to be taking a trade uh, based off the previous history of the Asian session, but with all this with the current action that we're getting, we're going to play this one out and take a little retracement here. Now we're going to trade as soon as we see the market go beginning to trade lower. And for a target, what we're looking for is the market to come down to um, somewhere between this point all the way down to about here as a target range. If the market gets into this point, we'll probably take out some profits at that point. All right, now up here ahead of it here, where there's a little bit of a resistance point here, which should now be support. But it's so close to our entry, we're going to anticipate this one breaking, and we're going to hold out for price to get to right around from this point to about right here as a target. As far as a stop loss, a reversal point in the market would have to come up and actually make a new high past this previous resistance point now. So we're going to use that as an initial stop loss point, and as this trade progresses, we may decide to move this point up. But now on the initial uh, entry here, we're not going to put the stop loss in until we let this play out a little bit, because we have plenty of room to react and close the trade if we need to. So we're going to let this run now, let this play out a little bit, and then if this gets to where it lasts a couple of hours, we'll get some trade management in. As you can see, advancing your stop loss. If we get to protect some profits, we'll protect some profits. And if we hit our target point, we'll take some profits out and let the rest run. And the reason we would let it run is because we want to know if it would come down to break the previous lows and actually make a new low. So that's the reason why we would hold out on the remaining of the trade. But for now, we're looking at taking partial profits out if the market comes back to this point, all the way down to right around in this level here. So we're going to let this play out, and we'll see how it goes here. Well, this is going to be a pretty quick trade here. We've already reached this take profit point, so we're gonna shave this down, and we're gonna scale out quite a bit here. Get this closed, and we're going to leave a small portion of this running just to see if we can get a little bit more out of this, and if we can, we'll try to trade manage the rest of it as it goes here. But if not, we'll come in after the next candle. If this is their current high here and it doesn't move any higher, we'll come and put our stop loss on here and protect the remainder of this running here. Now that the 0-100 candle is out, now we can go back in, and we're going to protect a little bit of the profits here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go off the high of this previous trading period, and we're going to put our stop loss in. Then we'll actually protect a few pips here. Since this is the Asian session and it's susceptible to start ranging, since we're in profit, we'll let it take us out if it does do that. Well, after seeing this now, and this price has made the bounce and taking us out, we actually made a small profit here. Looks like we weren't the only ones looking at this area as a support point, and we see price making the bounce from this point now. So we're not going to enter another trade at this point. We're going to wait till on into the Frankfurt session before we start looking for another entry into this. This is just a quick scalping type trade. Just another quick sample of a basic support and resistance trade. Thank you.